Hey, what's going on everyone? In today's video I want to show you guys how to pair or connect the Samsung Level U Pro Bluetooth headset to a Xiaomi Redmi Note 7 phone. So let's get started. So before we do anything with our phone, we want to first get the headset into a pairing state. Now this is an old model, but let's go ahead and do it. It still works. So on the back portion here, you'll see there is this slider switch that has off, on, and then a Bluetooth icon onto the far right. So what we're going to do is simply take that same slider switch and we're going to hold it down until we feel a vibration. So we'll hold it down. It's going to take you about 3 seconds holding it down. So we'll do that. 2, 3. You'll feel that vibration. When you feel that vibration from the headset, you'll notice the different color changing lights where the charging port is. And of course, if you don't feel the vibration, the lights will most likely still come on. This is actually pairing mode. You need to get it into pairing mode, which is the 3 different color lights, blue, green, and red. Now with that said, on our Xiaomi Redmi Note 7, we'll go into the settings here. And under settings, we'll go to where it says Bluetooth. And in Bluetooth, we'll go into this settings here and tap it where it has the on and off switch. Of course, it will start searching for nearby capable Bluetooth devices as you turn it on. You'll notice that refresh here. And then you'll see Samsung Level U Pro. Once you see that, tap on it one time. It's going to say pairing. And just wait for that to actually connect. You'll get that allow access thing. You can check it. If not, you can still pair it by selecting pair. And then you'll hear and or feel the headset vibrate when it's fully connected. It will tell you active, it gives you the battery life, and you're good to go. Hopefully this guide was helpful, and thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe.